Hello, welcome back to my channel. This video is a bit special because I'm gonna not only just do a unboxing video for the Apple HomePod, but I'm also testing my camera rig right here. As you can see, it is slowly rotating. I've been building this rig for almost a year now, and I think it's almost ready for the tutorial, I guess. With the remote, I can zoom in really close. So if I put the HomePods here, it will get a beautiful 360 shots, I hope. And I can control its speed and its movement using the Bluetooth app, or its rotation clockwise or counterclockwise. So it's pretty cool. I'm still working on the tutorial. Hopefully it will be released soon. I can change its movement, the speed setting from my phone as well. That's pretty simple. Now it's like moving at 94% of its maximum speed. How about 93? All right, let's do this. The camera I'm using is the Sony ZV-E10 paired with the Sony zoom lens with f4 constant aperture 18 to 105 millimeter. Okay, this is the HomePod 2nd gen. Awesome. With the Bluetooth remote, I can easily start recording, stop recording, or zoom in and out. And I'm gonna zoom in pretty close in just a second. And you can see my messy office. I did not clean up my office for this video, by the way. Yeah, it's pretty simple. That's it. I guess that's everything in the box, and some paperwork. HomePod. I can use my iPhone to set up the HomePod. It's beautiful. Now, if I put it in the dead center, I can easily zoom in and get ease. Well, I love this. Yeah, it's a pretty smooth, slowly rotating shot. Let's see, the maximum zoom in is like this. If I move it down a little bit, I will have to lock the desk, of course. Incredible, isn't it? I'm recording at 4K, by the way. I don't think the camera angle is perfectly, straight to the dead center of the circle. I'm gonna rotate it a little bit. Yeah, I can't wait to release the tutorial, by the way. Okay, let's plug in the power cord. The power source, guess I'm just gonna use the Reaver from EcoFlow. The power, okay, that's the power supply. I'll put it under my desk. Completely zoomed out. Now it powered on. Computer, turn off the shop light, please.
Shelf light isn't responding.
Computer, turn off the shop light, please. Connect my phone or iPad. You can see the, ooh, it's very, very bassy. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna grab my iPhone 15. Put it close. HomePod setup. Center the HomePod in the frame. It looks like I have to do this. Well, it's using the camera to see the pattern. I'm gonna pick a name, office. Agree terms and condition. Account setting, transfer settings, whatever. Series, recognize my voice. Don't use personal request. I think otherwise, yeah, I want my family members to be able to use this HomePod, right? Now it's trying to finish the setup. Computer, turn on the shop light, please. Now I have to enter my iCloud. Okay, it's trying to finish setup. Let's see if my camera is perfectly centered right here. HomePod is ready. It's hard to find the center spot. Well, yeah, so I learned a lot by, building this rig and to make it perfect. It's not easy, but so far so good. The lens, the lens from Sony has the internal optical stabilization, which really helps. The arm, the Bluetooth motor is smooth enough, but just in case if there's any vibration, it's kind of absorbed by the camera, by the lens. The optical stabilization of the lens. And I'm monitoring the whole process using a wireless. Here. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the result. Now let me play some music. I'm not gonna do copyright stuff, so hopefully this is better. I'm gonna do this. Transfer music and control HomePod. Bring it near. Okay, it's gonna move over.
We live in a world filled with natural music.
Sounds fantastic.
Sounds we have learned to imitate. And others.
It's quite intuitive. Play and pause.
Power inspires us.
The volume control. Siri.
We also live in a world filled with technology.
Hey Siri.
Countless inventions.
What time is it?
Simple to communicate.
It's 11:04 p.m.
Oh, it looks like Siri goes into my other phone. Yeah, I'll have to figure that out later. Double click goes next on. Triple click is previous. One tap is play and pause. Long press for Siri, I hope. What time is it?
It's 11:05 p.m.
All right, sounds great.
We live in a world filled with natural music. Soothing sounds we have learned to imitate.
I think it is getting compressed to AAC 256 kbps and it transfers wirelessly to the speaker. It does not support Bluetooth.
And an open, spacious sound.
Rubber feet. All right, I guess that's the end of this test video. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you find it useful.
also offers a few surprises you may not expect.